I had my very first real tree this Christmas. The process of walking through the pine grove, picking out a tree, and sawing it down for myself was nothing short of an adventure. I'm already thinking about all the different designs I can try with this tree and how I'm going to recycle it after Christmas is over. After strolling around for a bit, we found the cutest little tree and claimed it for ourselves. We named it Greg. I know that not a lot of people can afford extraneous things like a real Christmas tree, and I was personally raised by a single mother who would never spend her money on such things. Through the years of working hard and working smart, with the strength given to me by the grace of God, I am now able to live in a safe and comfortable environment, with enough money left over to spend on extraneous things, like Greg the Christmas tree. I'm not a personal finance whiz by any means, but I do know a thing or two about how to maximize your resources to save for the life you want while still having fun along the way. For starters, an easy way to do that is to make your own tea or coffee at home. I'm a big fan of matcha lattes, but a good cup of high-quality matcha is around $5 on average. That's already $150 a month if I drink it every day. No thanks. By making it at home, I not only save money, but also get to slow down and carve out just a few minutes to take care of myself in the morning. Another easy way to save money with no strings attached is to use a money-saving app called Drop. It's free to download and sign up, and you'll earn reward points on a wide variety of stores and services, like Sephora, HelloFresh, Uber Eats, and even AT&T if you have their internet or TV service. Every time you make a purchase through the app, you'll earn reward points which can be redeemed through a ton of different gift cards, including Amazon gift cards, Whole Foods, Uber, and even American Airlines. There's no catch at all. You're essentially just earning rewards on purchases that you would have been making anyway. For example, if I spend $100 at Lululemon, that's already 8,000 reward points, or money that I otherwise wouldn't get back. Drop is very easy to use, extremely credible, and highly rated. To download the app, click on the link in my description and link your credit or debit card when you sign up. Or download Drop from the App Store or Google Play and use my invite code GIRLANDTHEWORD. It's important that you use my link or add my invite code, along with linking your card, because guess what? I'm giving away $5 to $25 in rewards to 100 subscribers who sign up. I wish I can give this gift to all of you, since you've been so kind and supportive to me this year. But right now, I'll pick 100 people at random to give anywhere from $5 to $25 in rewards. I hope it'll help you start the new year on a good note. When I first graduated from UC Berkeley, I made around $900 a month working at a local nonprofit. At the time, I shared a tiny studio with Karen, the one I threw the baby shower for. Money was tight, but this season really taught me how to think like an entrepreneur. I took up a side hobby of making macrame wall hangings out of yarn and sticks that I found at the park. I sold them for about $30 per unit, which gave me an extra $200 a month just from selling handmade macrames. Even if money is tight for you right now, you don't have to compromise your comfort or creative freedom. If anything, having less money forces you to be even more creative with your home decor. Look at Facebook groups, Craigslist, or even sidewalks for free raw materials that you can make over. Who knows what you can make if you just have fun with it? And if it turns out decently, you might even be able to turn your hobby into a side gig. Another life hack that helped me get to where I am today is the pick 3 rule. Let's say you have 4 or more priorities that make you happy but are not absolutely necessary, such as eating out, having a car, shopping, or entertainment. You can only pick 3 for any given season of your life. For example, when I moved to the city, I sold my car and just walked everywhere because it was not absolutely necessary for me to have a car. Plenty of people bike or take public transit to work, which is so much better for the environment. Just write down your current money costing priorities as specifically as you can, and then force yourself to pick only 3. It's hard, but you'll surprise yourself at how little you need to live well. second look because the first one, Ollie tries to eat the oranges.
She would.
Yeah.
Do you have more stuff? I want to make something with you.
Oh, you're down to make a third look?
Yeah, can we decorate it one more time?
Yeah, I actually have some clay and some beads.
Oh, yay! Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
Yay!
The whole point of this video is not to brag about what I have or tell you that money will make all your problems go away, because it won't. Even though I literally came from a rural district in Vietnam and somehow made my way to a gorgeous high-rise in LA, despite all my hard work, my parents' hard work, my resourcefulness, and all the money-saving hacks I developed, I still cannot take full credit for having this blessed life. God was the one who orchestrated me to be in the right place at the right time. He was the one who gave me the health and the strength to keep pushing forward. He was the one who comforted me when I was lost and healed me when I was broken. He showed me grace even when I hated Him. I truly deserve none of the blessings that I have. It was all through His goodness that I am here and managing the blessings that He's entrusted me. My pastor often says that we are God's money managers. None of this belongs to us. We're just managing it for Him. We can only do our best to steward what rightfully belongs to God. In this new year, I challenge you to manage your money well, using it to bless others and perhaps tithing to your local church. By cutting down your personal expenses and prioritizing the needy, I can guarantee that your money will be stretched farther than you ever thought possible, finally reaping you the joy you so desperately seek, because it is through giving that we receive.